Hello everyone, welcome to Slay the World, Boom, Bus and Manja. Now we at Putrajaya International Convention Center for the wonderful and fabulous the Catwalk Master Asia 2026 edition. Beside of me, we have the Malaysia representative for adult category, none other than Yasha Christina. How are you, Goja?
Yes, good.
Alright, so maybe you can share with us how do you feel right now after represent Malaysia?
I feel happy and excited for representing Malaysia, and I will do my best.
All right. So absolutely everyone wants to know more about you. So maybe you can introduce a little bit about yourself.
Hi, my name is Nur Ilyasha Kisna binti Azmi. Can call me Kisina or Yasha. I'm 16 years old this year. I'm from Selangor, Malaysia. Saya telah berkecimpung dalam bidang ni sejak saya berusia 6 tahun dan sekarang I'm ready to grow and shine on the runway.
Wow, such a great introduction from you. All right, so next question. Maybe you can share with us what kind of adjective or the reason why you choose the Catwalk Master Asia 2026 as your platform to highlight yourself.
What attract me the most? The Catwalk Master bukan sekadar pertandingan tetapi ia juga menjadi keyakinan, disiplin dan keunikan diri dan menjadikan langkah yang paling penting bagi saya sebagai seorang model.
All right, such a great objective from you. So hopefully you get whatever you want in this platform. All right, next question. Maybe you can share with us who your role model in catwalk learning because everyone will have their own catwalk coach or catwalk idol.
My role model is Malaysia Lin. Why? Because I'm so proud of her and saya kagum dengan cara keyakinan dia, cara dia peragakan baju dia orang, cara dia peragakan diri di atas pentas. Dan selain itu, I'm also proud with my talent manager which is Coach Keith Alvarez sebab dia sangat seorang yang penyabar dalam mendidik kami semua sehingga berjaya.
Oh my God, I believe that everyone's so proud of you being your coach. That's a wonderful. Okay, next question. Maybe you can share with us if let's say you win for the adult category for the Catwalk Master Asia 2026. So what kind of contribution you would like to do for the society and also for this organization itself?
If I win, perkara pertama yang saya akan lakukan berterima kasih pada ibu bapa, jurulatih dan organisasi kerana telah mempercayakan saya dan memberi peluang kepada saya. Untuk membantu organisasi, saya akan sentiasa support apa yang aktiviti yang akan lakukan dan menjadi inspirasi kepada model dan peserta baru yang akan datang.
Wow, semoga apa yang anda ingin capai akan berjaya anda capai di dalam The Catwalk Master Asia. Oh my God, Christina, we actually have a lot of questions to asking you, but we want to end this conversation with the last question. I truly believe that everyone's so proud of you. Okay, so mungkin Christina boleh ceritakan sedikit ataupun mungkin boleh sampaikan ucapan terima kasih kepada mereka yang telah selama ini menyokong perjuangan Christina daripada mula menyertai The Catwalk Master Asia dan kini sudah ingin ke Grand Final The Catwalk Master Asia 2026.
To everyone, I would like to say thank you for support me and believe in me. Sokongan anda semua sangat saya hargai dan menjadi semangat dan kekuatan untuk saya terus melangkah ke hadapan. Terima kasih.
All right, Yasha Christina, I'm truly believe that everyone's so proud of you and hopefully you doing your best in the adult category for the Catwalk Master Asia 2026 edition. And best of luck to you for the grand final. Represent our beloved country, Malaysia. See you again and bye-bye.